Coming in, the Enforcement Directorate has frozen the bank balances worth 440 crore rupees in 3 accounts linked to the All India Trinamool Congress. The action is part of a money laundering probe into alleged financial irregularities and suspected fund transfers involving the Carewell Group. The ED claims party funds were routed through related entities to purchase an aircraft and a helicopter, which were later leased back to the party. The investigation is ongoing. Bhavtosh, you're joining us on the broadcast. What exactly is the charge and what is the defense coming in from the Carewell Group and from the TMC?
Shreya, as far as this investigation is concerned, ED carried out raids and searches at 10 locations yesterday, and they have said that they went through the books of records of All India Trinamool Congress and they found some suspicious transaction. They said that All India Trinamool Congress had around 440 crore rupees in 3 bank accounts. Now, they have said that Trinamool Congress between April 2023 and June 2026 had transferred around 160 crore rupees to Carewell Aviation Company. The company then subsequently transferred around 89 crore rupees to a related entity. Around 112 crore rupees was used to purchase Embraer aircraft and also a chopper from Augusta company. They've also said that around the $11.5 million has also been found, US dollar has been found, which has been routed through a Cayman Island. For this suspicious transaction and within the powers of PMLA, they have now frozen all the bank accounts of All India Trinamool Congress, even as the matter is pending before Calcutta High Court, in which All India Trinamool Congress had approached asking that defreezing of debit operations should be done. That hearing did not take place today, primarily because on the grounds that the Solicitor General was absent. Now one has to wait and see what will happen, but ED has said that within the past that they have under PMLA, they have carried out these operations and all bank accounts of Trinamool Congress worth at least 440 crore rupees have now been frozen.
The TMC, of course, calling this vendetta by the BJP. We leave it there for the moment. Bhavtosh, thank you very much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. With that, it's a wrap from me. Thank you very much for watching.